Hi everyone, today we are going to describe how to use the Oukitel WP7 with a handful of new super modules. Point 1. How to use the infrared night vision camera. Firstly, turn on the camera system and slide the mode to the last one night vision mode. Click the short button and the built-in infrared camera would work automatically. Point 2. How to use the UVC sterilization module. Take the UVC sterilization attachment close to the back of the WP7. It adopts the magnetic suction method for quickly connecting the two metal components. And then press the left white edge button. Long press the button to turn on the power. And long press the button once again to turn off the power. Well, I have to remind you too, please not do these three important points. 1. Never directly shine on eyes. 2. Avoid prolonged exposure to human skin. 3. Do not expose children to the UVC light. Point 3. How to use the Ultra Flashlight module. Okay, in the same way, we install the Ultra Flashlight attachment. The button is the same as the UVC sterilization. Similarly, long press the button to turn on/off the power. Short press the button to switch mode. Strong light, medium light, low light, flash, SOS. Point 4. How to use the custom key. Another practical function is the custom key. Before we use it, we should enter the setting system. Find the custom key function and set it in terms of your favorable needs. And then remember your choice.